In this video, we are going to learn how to plot the data of different columns using seaborn. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for plot the data of different columns using seaborn. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. This use case needs pandas, seaborn and matplot library to function. So make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from Kandi. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. This line of the code is to import pandas, seaborn and matplot library. This part of the code is to create a data frame using the dictionary of values. This part of the code is to plot values using matplot library and then seaborn. Now let's run the code, and you have plotted the data of different columns using seaborn.